Energy saver pond pump for filters and waterfalls. (15 watt to 25 watt), 17 watt to 35 watt, 30 watt to 60 watt, 40 watt to 85 watt. Do you have a stagnant, lifeless pond? Have previous pumps blocked, lost power, or been too expensive to run? The solution is the Blagdon Amphibious IQ with digital motor technology. A powerful yet economical pond pump. To run a filter and/or a waterfall. The flow of a conventional pump can be controlled with a valve, but the power consumption remains constant, costing money. Amphibious IQ digital motors have an adjustable power and flow control. Energy saving at your fingertips. The digital motor allows for adjustable power consumption and water flow. Easily select the correct size model for your pond, as you can adjust the flow to suit your needs. Reduce power in the winter when less flow is needed will save you money. The digital motor control offers a host of features. Run dry protection. The digital motor pauses when water is low. And will restart when water is added. The digital motor protection system prevents damage if the impeller gets blocked. The digital display informs you of the problem and suggests the solution. The pump and motor cage are designed to handle dirty water, leaves and debris. A range of pumps to suit a variety of pond and waterfall sizes.